Basaha sa pag-greet sa greet.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon and happy Sabbath, everyone. Good afternoon. In today's part of the program, it is time for the certificate and token distribution. It is where we congratulate those who listen and follow the rules, those who are an active member, and those who take their responsibilities. We will start first that's in dress code in every meeting of the Heaven Seekers.
Di, kung sa'yo naka-sequence, dira mo na. Dress code na? Okay, sige, good.
Emmanuel Board are variantes.
Louder ang voice, uy. Stay there, ha? And just hold your certificate. Give! Shake hands sa, ang president ang maghatag ka na. Sorry, wala mo na orient. Shake hands, shake hands. Clap hands!
Lovely day, Daniel.
Except today.
Barrel J.S. Fellows.
Ay, ani na lang. Officers, saka mo. Officers, saka mo dito. Tapos diri sa ubos ang giawardan. Na. Good. Diri sa center ang giawardan. Hoy, center ang giawardan. I-center dira. So, tulo lang na, di ba? Tulo lang? Okay. Let's take a picture. Look here. Officers. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Top 3 ni siya, kids. That's why tulo lang sila nag-awardan. Top 3 na pinaka.
Top 1.
Okay. Okay na. Next. Okay, exit. Okay, next.
That's in bringing responsibly all the important things in every meeting of the Heaven Seekers. Princess Yvonne C. Denzel Faith Emily now.
Don't lose that one, ha? Very gi-treasure good na. Signed good na. Wala niyo gibasa kung kasi nag-sign.
Third Denzel Emily now.
Maura? Okay, picture. Smile here. I-center sila. Center. 1, 2, 3. Francis, pagtarong daw. Okay, next.
White river. Not one. That's in contact in every meeting of the Heaven Seekers. Princess Yvonne C.
Very good.
Congratulations, Yvonne! You got a lot of French. Denzel Faith Emily now.
Dito na. Remain.
Third Denzel Emily now.
Hala, what happened sa uban? Center. Tulora sila, di ba? Okay, picture. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Uy, dyan na. Okay. Sige.
That's in complete attendance in every meeting of the Heaven.
O ka na, daghan na. Tanan nga complete attendance.
Complete attendance. Wait. General. Attendance.
Complete attendance. Paminaw, kung excused gani inyo nga absence, that means makadawat gihapon mo. Basig na mo'y nakalimtan, officers, ha? Tayra gyud. Next.
Denzel, Faith, and Malina.
Sana all.
Bert, Denzel, and Malina.
Naglinya na.
Zip, Di, Malina.
Ang zip.
Darrell, J, Espinosa.
Wow! Nasa...
Eliakim, Charles, Hero.
Wow! Maura? Okay. Everybody look here and say smile. Tanong po, Daria. Okay, good.